Today we're going to work on the 67 912 that has the 1976 Porsche 912E Type 4 2-liter engine in it. Has an exhaust link, and this is what it sounds like. Let's jack this up and let me show you how to find an exhaust leak in your car real quick. All you need is a wet vac or a dry vac, a vacuum cleaner, and I'll show you how to hook that up. And with some soapy water or some Windex, we're going to find all those air leaks, see if we can't button them up so this baby's running good. Be right back. Okay, here's my little vacuum. We're essentially going to do that. And then I'm going to stick towel in there to kind of button it up. You don't want it 100% closed off. Then we're going to turn it on. It's going to blow air into the system, and then we're going to get underneath and using our Windex try to see where it's bubbling at, and that's going to tell us where our leak is at, and then we can go from there to figure out how to fix it. So let's get dirty. Hopefully you can hear me, but we have it hooked up. You can see how it's in there. And there's a little bit of wind. So let's go underneath now and see what we can find out. And you'll see within just a few minutes, you'll see where it's starting to bubble up. I have to give a shout out. This idea came from another YouTuber named Benny Obscene, and I'll link his channel up there at the top and down below. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and take our 13mm ratchet, and we'll get a box and wrench on this side and just make sure that all those are tight. Even though we didn't see it, we'll just go ahead and make sure those are snug. Just kind of walk our way around. But that was the only spot, this one, that was bubbling. And then we will see how she sounds. Alright guys, she's back up and running. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another Porsche project.